How to check and replace coolant. Before replacement process of coolant, let us understand need of coolant in vehicle. Function and operation of engine coolant. Coolant is being used in radiator to cool the engine. This prevents from seizing of engine due to overheating and improves engine power and fuel efficiency. Coolant flows in to engine water galleries through water pump, thermostat, radiator and pipeline. Precautions to be followed. It is very important to maintain coolant quantity by topping up between minimum and maximum level in no loss tank. Replacement of coolant as per schedule. Coolant should be free from oil and excessive water. Routine maintenance. Check daily coolant level in no loss tank. Check the pipeline for coolant leakage. Now have a look on replacement procedure of coolant. Loose all 4 hex bolts of front panel and further remove 2 hex bolts from front side. Unlock both turn indicator holders with bulb from housing and take out the front panel. Keep coolant collection tray below radiator drain plug. Unscrew and remove drain plug slowly. Remove radiator cap to drain out entire coolant from radiator and to prevent airlock. Remove air vent screw to drain out entire coolant from engine and to prevent airlock. Tight the radiator drain plug. Before filling the coolant, read instruction written on coolant bottle for coolant water ratio. Fill radiator coolant into radiator till it comes out from vent hole. Tight air vent hole by screw. Top up the radiator and fix radiator cap. Fill coolant in no loss tank and maintain level between minimum and maximum. Lock both turn indicator holders with bulb from housing and fit back the front panel. Tight all 4 hex bolts of front panel and then after fit 2 hex bolts from front side and tighten them.